Oh no, look what I'm looking at, guys, look. Oh no. Oh, we had a windstorm last night. Look at my greenhouse, guys, look. My apple seeds were in there. And now they're upside down. Everything is upside down. It's freezing and it's windy. See the trees? Hear the wind chimes? It's windy, and it was even windier last night. Aw, and now my greenhouse has to be started all over again. And my apple seeds, I think they're gone. Oh boy. Well, we have no control over the weather. We start again. These are the apple seeds. I think the seeds are still in there, and I just topped them off with a little bit more topsoil. And I hope I saved them since the greenhouse went kaput. Poor greenhouse. And look, we had rocks holding it down because we knew that it was going to be windy, and sometimes you're just no match for bad weather. Oh well. I'll shine it up, patch it up, stand it up, and do it again.